Using traditional facial massage tools offers fantastic benefits for your skin, leaving it firmer, lifted, and glowing. Gua Sha tools are flat, smooth crystals or kidney-shaped stones that fit right in your hand. Face rollers have a smooth, rounded handle with a metal loop holding one or more crystal rollers. This green set includes a Gua Sha and a face roller, both made from genuine jade, cool to the touch, calming to the soul, and long believed to attract balance, longevity, and prosperity. This pink set features a Gua Sha and a face roller, both carved from rose quartz, the crystal of love and self-care. Known to radiate gentle energy, it's believed to open the heart, restore inner harmony, and encourage emotional healing. Crafted from stainless steel, this Gua Sha is sleek, durable, and naturally cooling, symbolizing strength, clarity, and resilience. But before using any massage tools, use a face serum. This not only helps the tool glide smoothly, but also prevents any tugging. Now, take the Gua Sha and gently glide it across your jawline and cheekbones, using light pressure to sculpt and relax your face. Next, take the face roller and gently roll it over your under eyes, helping to increase circulation and calm the skin. Regular use of these tools promotes glowing, healthy skin and a calm mind. Enjoy the ritual of self-care.